How to leave a dependent or toxic relationship, a step-by-step guide. Sometimes love feels so strong that we're afraid of losing the person even when it's hurting us, when the relationship is destroying us. If you feel like you can't live without your partner, that's not about love. It's about dependency. The good news is you can get out of this state. How? 1. Admit to yourself that this is dependency, that this relationship is destroying you. Acknowledgement is the first step toward freedom. Without it, change can't begin. 2. Bring yourself back. Start taking care of your own desires, interests, and boundaries. Don't put your partner above yourself. Your needs and theirs are equally important. You are a separate whole person. 3. Make an exit plan in advance, if necessary. Think about what you'll need for independent living. A clear plan gives you a sense of control and reduces anxiety. 4. Rebuild your inner foundation, your ability to rely on yourself. Gradually learn to be yourself outside of the relationship. Bring back your habits, hobbies, and natural rhythm of life. Listen to yourself and your feelings. Learn to accept your emotions without needing your partner's approval. 5. Seek support. Sometimes it's really hard to stay afloat on your own. A therapist, friends, or loved ones can help you keep from sinking. Remember, breaking free from a dependent relationship is always a process, one that comes with pain, doubt, and fear. And that's okay. Freedom begins the moment you shift your foundation back to yourself and start making your own choices. Then, step by step, you'll be able to build a life and relationships where love doesn't destroy, but supports